Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. So let's just go right into today's video. From the title of this video, I'll be talking about 5 side hustles you can actually embark on in 2025. Okay, let's do a short story. Yeah, so if you've never been broke before, if you've never needed an urgent 2k, this video is not for you. You can swipe. But if you have ever tested a little bit of being broke, being in need of that urgent 2k, this video is for you. So just grab your paper, grab your pen, grab your jotter. Let's write these simple things that you can do to start earning a side income. Okay, so it's called a side hustle. This is not just to eliminate those who are doing 9 to 5 jobs. This is to see how to blend, and you get from here, you get from here. When you put it together, at least you have something tangible to take. I know some people are out there who are very satisfied with their 9 to 5 jobs, but for those who are still looking for side hustle, this video is for you. These are basic things I've tried that are working out for me. Okay, so they're working out for me, and I've decided to come here and share it with all my lovely followers. So number one, content creation. If you have a phone, okay, you know how much you spent to buy a phone, and that phone is not yielding you any kind of income, please, you're not doing the right thing. If you want to start any side hustle in 2025, look into content creation. We have different platforms that you can make money from. You have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have YouTube, you have TikTok. These are platforms that you can begin to share content depending on the kind of content you want to do. The first thing you must discover is find out what works for you and invest your time in it. The second thing I'll talk about is affiliate marketing, branding, influencing. If you are a good promoter, you know how to talk, you know how to market. Affiliate marketing is a very, very amazing platform where you can make a whole lot of money. So give it a try. You can try affiliate marketing on TikTok. This is just basically marketing brands for people. Okay, you get a lot of people that do products, you get people that do different kinds of products. They give you their free products. You can try. I started that on TikTok, and I really love how it's going. So those are things you can do. You get products, you get free samples. Like TikTok makes opportunities like that very, very much available. Like they call it TikTok Shop for creators, or so TikTok Shop for creators. Yes, so you can market people's product, market brands, and you know what, you sell for them and you earn a commission. All right, so look out for marketers or people who are ready to sell for you. It's not only TikTok. You see Amazon have affiliate marketing strategies, affiliate marketing opportunities. There's so many of them, so you can try any kind of affiliate marketing to see the one that suits you better. Okay, number 3 is teaching a course. So if you are good in teaching, if there's something you know how to do very well, you can actually sell that thing. You can produce courses, put them out there, and people buy it and learn. Courses like video editing, graphic designing. You learn this skill, turn it to a course, and you put it on or put it out there for sales, and people will also buy those kind of things to learn. Because I know how much I've spent to learn video editing. I know how much I spent to learn the real strategies of content creation. So if you must make money, you must also invest in yourself. Okay, so these are things you can actually put in your income, the little or no income self, to learn them. Okay, give it a try. Another thing you can try doing is blogging. If you are good in writing, if at all you're not even good in writing, but you have the desire to start learning how to write, artificial intelligence is there for you to learn. Yes, you can learn how to blog with artificial intelligence, as you say, like AI. There are so many apps there that you can use. We have ChatGPT, we have QuickBooks, we have so many of them. You can try any of this. Give them a try. See how to go around and master it, and then you begin to do what? You begin to create content, begin to make little incomes from that. So blogging is another amazing thing you can do to make an income. Okay, the last but not the least is podcast. Podcast is something I want to give a try, but because I'm very busy with so many things, I will think about that later. But podcast is another platform you can make money. You don't need to put your face out there. You can make it a faceless kind of podcast, and your market will sell, and you will get money. Platforms like this, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, those platforms are where you can publish these things and make money. Guys, what are you waiting for? Give this a try. I try my best not to make this video too long, because I'm not coming to come and tell you what I have not done. These are the things you can actually do to earn a little income or more here, depending on how you go around it. Okay, so I hope this will help you to start earning now. It's January 2025 already. We are very close to February. Start now. Don't give excuses. Okay, thank you so much for listening. See you in my next video. Please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you will know whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. First thing you must discover is find out the niche that works for you. Let me pull my hair a little bit because I'm a bit stressed pulling the hair together.